How to remove CapCut watermark from video. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can remove CapCut watermark from your video. Now, as you know, if you edit any videos or if you load up any video project on your CapCut, you'll get a little watermark at the end of the video. Now to remove it is quite simple and easy. All you have to do is open up CapCut app first. Here I'll show you the tutorial. If you head into any new project here, I'll just open up this project here. I'll just select this quick video here, and once you select a video, if you scroll all the way to the right, you can see there'll be a watermark here. Now you can see the CapCut watermark. However, on the video you won't be getting CapCut watermark. If you get this at the end, what you want to do is simply tap on the watermark that you can see at the end. You can see the ending icon there. Now you can extend it and you can decrease it as well here. However, if you want to delete it, simply tap on it and you'll find delete option at the bottom of your screen. Simply tap on delete once you tap on watermark, and this way your watermark will be removed and you can simply upload it by tapping on the upload icon at the top right corner. So this way you can remove CapCut watermark from video. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.